How to search health plans by county. First, visit nystateofhealth.ny.gov and click Help Topics and More under the Support and Resources navigation. From there, hover over the Individuals and Families navigation and select Find Plans by County. This tool makes it easy to determine what health plans are offered in individual counties. To get started, enter your local county. Choose a health plan program. Select the year you are searching for coverage, and then click Search. A list of the different health insurance providers offering the selected health plan program in your local county will appear. If you would like more information about the selected health plan program, you can click on the link below. Visit nystateofhealth.ny.gov to start your health plan search today.